There's been no videos on how to install no drill sliders, so I figured I'd show you real quick. So what I've done is I've removed this plastic fairing mount, this one, and this one. And now what that's going to allow us to do is to get under here to the engine bolt. Alright, so behind this fairing is the engine mounting bolt, and I've got it backed out a little bit so that you guys can see where it comes from, right here. So we're going to back that out, install our no drill slider into that spot, set our offset, and tighten it back up. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the no mount slider, or no cut slider in. Wasn't too bad. And that's where it's going to go into your engine mount. You remove your engine bolt, replace it with your no cut slider mount, reattached it, and now we're going to put in our 3 Allen keys holding that fairing back on. Alright guys, this is an important part. This needs to be replaced with this guy. Now, the Allen key and the washer are going to stack up on this side, and the spacer is going to go between the other side. I'm not sure if you can get in there and see that. Just like that. Okay, now what that's going to do is alleviate the pressure off of here. Now what I didn't do, and I cracked my plastic, I didn't install that. And now it seems super simple, and I couldn't realize what this was in the kit for. Now that I know it's from the kit and I've already cracked my plastic, hopefully one of you guys learns from me. Alright, so we're going to do the other side. Now what we're going to do is remove this fairing bolt, and this fairing bolt. That's going to give us access to the engine mount, which is right there. Okay, now a good thing to note on this is that you don't want to remove both engine bolts at the same time. If you do this, your engine will fall a few inches, and good luck getting it back in. Alright, as you can see, I've got my whole fairing off now. There's a bushing in here, and that gap right there. Do not lose that bushing into the engine. I just spent the last hour and a half trying to get that out. So my advice to you is make sure that you know this bushing is there. Alright, so that turned out to be a little bit more of a pain in the butt. Not that the job was hard, it's actually very easy. It's just that when you're working on the right hand side, there's a spacer. If you're not paying attention to that spacer, I lost it into the inside somewhere, and I don't know where it went, so I had to get it. Fish around for 10 minutes figuring out where it went, figuring out a tool how to get it. It was just a pain in the butt. So, all in all, it was pretty easy. Just remember on the right hand side that there's a spacer there. Make sure you torque it back to the specs for your engine mounts, and hopefully that helped. If you guys have any comments, concerns, questions, post them below. I'll get to them as fast as I can. The reason I did this video was because I bought mine off eBay. It didn't come with any instructions, so I wanted to see if there's a video. There was not a video, so hopefully this helps a couple guys. And should be under like 3 minutes, I'm hoping. So cheers.